Hi there, Robert here, and I want to talk a bit about the NutriChef cast iron grill that I just got. Now this is so I can do fajitas on the grill, and you know what? I'm going to be quiet for a second. Now you know exactly why I got it. That's the reason why it's here. It's all for the sizzle. Of course, we're going to sweat all these vegetables down on the grill, no problem. This is very impressive and a great way to barbecue. Now I'm using the actual side that normally I wouldn't. I just wanted to show you both sides of the grill. So in this case, I am cooking on the actual side that I would use for, let's say, a steak, if that's my intent. But I just had the vegetables on this side here today. Now, it works out good. Nothing to complain about, nothing to worry about. Here they are, all sweat. You can tell, eh? Look, big difference, big difference. They're ready to go now. So we're going to just put those aside and get ready for the actual, we're using pork today. That's going to be the fajitas. So of course, this is the peppers and the onions, everything else that we had on the grill. All pre-seasoned, going right back in the bowl. That's ready to go. So this pork was pre-seasoned, marinated for like 24 hours. Then it was cooked on a barbecue. These are all pork loins, and then afterwards sliced them down. This is a little extra juice just to like even seam them up even more at this point. So of course they were cooked to medium before. After slicing them up now, we've juiced them all up. We've got them on here, browned them up just a little bit. Now they're going to go back in the bowl, and it's going to be time for fajitas with pork. Awesome. And that's why I got the grill.